So the Kinabatangi Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the last, is a corridor of forest linking to a big chunk of forest. And so all the wildlife has been pushed as the land was cleared for logging and then for oil palm plantations. All the wildlife has been pushed on the shores of the Kinabatangi. And so you find a huge diversity along the river in the forest, and you find species like elephant, proboscis monkey, orangutan, clouded leopard, sun bear, estuarine crocodile, monitor lizards. So we have 10 different species of primates, 8 different species of hornbills. There are about 350 species of birds. So it's extremely rich in biodiversity, and it's a very special lab for us to study wildlife and see how wildlife is coping with such